So to remove a bumper, we start firstly from this plastic, this air intake pipes, just plastic clips with a cable and only plastic clips with here, and here. It's easy to remove. Now you have to unscrew this one screw, 10 millimeters. This one right here. So we have to reach this two screws. We're holding the bumper. So we have to remove this front grille. This just release, and there is 4 plastic fixators. One here, one here. You have to push it with your fingers. And here it comes loose. And you can take this right here. This is our fixators, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can remove this two 10 millimeters screw, and then this one plastic and this one. These two screws removed. Remove this plastic fixators. Then go to the wheel arch. So you have to remove these two screws. This one 10 millimeters. This, I don't think so, it's original, maybe someone changed it. But there's two screws and one screw down here. This one. So 3 screws. Then you have to pull this plastic, and there is 2 10 millimeters screws right here. 1, 2 holding this. So we have to unscrew. So after unscrewing these 2 screws, 10 millimeters, it comes to bumper comes freely. So next step is go to the other side. We have to turn the steering to the opposite side, and there's also 2 screws and one down here. So 1, 2, 3. So after removing these 3 screws, you have to pull this plastic, and you see also 2 screws here, 10 millimeters. So you have to unscrew these 2. So after removing these 2 10 millimeters screws here, this part come loose, And now we can pull the bumper to the front, and we have to take off. So the bumper on the ground, we can remove this LED plugs.